Advocates say racial disparities in all aspects of the pandemic are still cause for concern. New data from the health department shows the rate of COVID cases among the black population is much higher than that of whites. Local 22's Dana Casulo is live in the studio now with more on the daily challenges. Dana?
Lauren, the report looked at COVID cases reported in the state from March 5th, 2020 through August 11th, 2021. The NAACP wants to bring awareness to the disparities people of color still face daily, as the Delta variant is prolonging pandemic worries.
You can wash your hands 1,000 times a day, but if you're in a situation where you're being put on the front lines and, the people who are supposed to care about you professionally maybe don't, then you're going to be exposed regardless.
Stephon Gillum is the president of the Windham County branch of the NAACP. He wants people to know the BIPOC population is still at high risk. Look at this pie graph from the Vermont Health Department. Black adult Vermonters have an estimated rate of 937 positive cases per 10,000 people, compared to 359 cases per 10,000 people who are white and non-Hispanic.
It amplifies, once again, how our systems are not there to protect us.
Mia Schultz says the information is concerning, but not surprising.
We are in a housing crisis for everyone, but that is amplified if you are Black. And therefore you're living in housing that is often overcrowded.
During Tuesday's COVID-19 briefing, Dr. Mark Levine also noted career factors put the BIPOC community at high risk too.
They generally have more public-facing positions. They generally have to take public transportation to those positions. Those have put them at increased risk.
That's why he said the health department made BIPOC vaccination clinics a priority.
When we began the pandemic, the disparity between the vaccination rate of the BIPOC population and the white not Hispanic population was in the 14 to 15% range. Today it is 2.9%. So yes, it is still different, but it has markedly narrowed that gap.
Although children represent 23% of Vermont's cases, Black, Indigenous, and children of color represent 15% of those.
This is a concern in my household as I have children getting back, and the children have been affected this whole time in more profound ways that we even know.
If you are interested in finding out more about the NAACP, we will have information on our website. Reporting live in the studio, Dana Casulo, Local 22 News.